So my cannas are as tall as me and taller, 6 feet, 7 feet tall, at least. So where I just found today, I had asked about this before, but I just found it today. This little bud here, right? These little things here. Oh, there's going to be seeds in them. I didn't know that. And I just collected a bunch of them. So this is going to happen over here, everywhere where there's flowers. And you see, I still have flowers coming up right here. And that's looks like the only one, but yeah, this thing has really done well. So my plan is, I'm watching some videos now on how to grow from seeds. I just thought they were all bulbs, rhizome, and that was the only way that you grew them, from a bulb. But who knew? I didn't know. They have seeds, and you plant the seeds. You have to do some things, but yeah, my plan is this. All along here and around the corner, I'll move that, get rid of that potato thing that I put potatoes in, get rid of that. All around here, I'm going to do cannas. All around here. And maybe out there too. I'll see. I'll like intersperse them. Because out here I get a lot of sun. So that's my plan. It's my plan. My marigold's still doing good. That one's I think he's done. But that one still looks good. The garden, you know what? I planted about 5 pickle plants, right? I planted 5 of them, and I didn't do nothing to them. I didn't take care of them. I didn't water them, and they still produced pickles. Not a lot, not nearly as much as they did, when I took care of them. But they still produced stuff, which was kind of shocking. But yeah, so that is my end of the year garden update. I think, yeah. Other things are still blooming. These guys are still blooming. These guys are done. Waiting for that thing to start kicking off for the winter. My camellias? I think that's what they are. These guys are all done. There's some flowers there popping. But for the most part, they're all done. I think what I'll do is get these heads and get the seeds from them. My sunflower did pretty well. See seeds. I'm going to get those seeds and hold on to them. My shrubs, they're dropping and they'll stay red. The twigs will stay red. But yeah, they did pretty well. The yellow twigs, they're doing the same. Leaves are starting to die off, but the twigs will stay yellow. So these did really well. They kind of I don't know, you seen how little they were in the spring when I planted them. I guess they probably tripled. I don't know, but that's the garden update. Can't wait for spring.